Traders, what's good? Thank you guys for joining me for another episode of the Trading Journal here at Elementary FX. And for this entry, we'll be looking at the Euro Aussie, just a simple trend continuation opportunity that I was looking at last night. But before we move on into our trading time frame, which in this case was the 5-minute charts, let's just have a look at the 4-hour charts to do some very simple analysis. And as you can see, I've drawn a very nice bullish trend line, and basically price has respected and rejected this trend line multiple times in the past. We have once here, twice, thrice, and I was looking for a potential fourth touch of this trend line to go for a long entry, and this was where I was looking at the 5-minute charts for a potential entry reason. And when I was looking at this chart, price was around here. We actually have a very nice bullish cipher pattern completion. We have our X to A to B, B to C, and our CD completion coming right above the trend line, not exactly meeting my rules of trend line trading. I was actually looking for price to come down into the trend line to retest this before going for a long entry, and this was what price did exactly. After the completion of the cipher pattern, price pushed up a bit before retesting the trend line again, and this was where I had my buy limit. And as you can see, price pushed down into my order. I think I was about 15 pips down. Let me just check it for you. I was about 15 pips down, and basically price just consolidated for a bit before having a very nice push up, which where I took profits for about 37 pips. So this was the winning trade that I took on the Euro Aussie. Looking back and reviewing this trade, I think I could have entered this trade at a better price if I had potentially entered the X leg right here. Instead of retesting the major trend line, price chose to retest this leg right here, the X leg, and I could have potentially entered at a better price at this point right here for a potential profit of about 50 pips compared to my 37 pips. But this was still a very good trade that I took. I followed my rules, and that is all that matters. So this was my trading journal, and thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.